Softee, come on. Do you want ice cream? I don't want ice cream, no thanks. Come on, George, let's go get some marshmallows. Have fun with the ball. Ouch, ouch, look at me. I don't care. Yay, Mr. Patrick. Patrick. Mr. Patrick. Yay, Mr. Patrick. Come on, George. Oh, hello, guys. What would you like from Mr. Patrick's ice cream store? Oh, I would like a marshmallow. Okay, guys. Here are your ice creams. Thank you, Mr. Patrick, and enjoy the weather. Goodbye.